Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word talkative. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is talkative. Let's break it down. First, we have tall, which rhymes with mall or ball. Then comes ku, a quick, unstressed vowel sound like the A in sofa. Finally, tiv, which sounds like tiv in active. Now let's put it all together. Talkative. Try repeating after me. Talkative. Now a little faster. Talkative. And at full speed. Talkative. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Talkative refers to someone who likes to talk a lot, often in a chatty or garrulous manner. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce talkative and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.